Let's learn to control our dreams and other people's minds. We'll start with dreams. Anthony here for DNews, and you guys have been asking a lot about lucid dreaming lately. I've actually been able to do it fairly consistently since I was about 13, so I thought, yes, sure, I would love to talk about that. A lucid dream is one where you know that you're dreaming. You can also potentially control your dream. You can turn a nightmare into a good dream. You can fly, you can go places you've never been. You can do some sexy things. A lot of my teenage ones were about sexy things. So how does it work? How can you do it? The how of it is complicated. We're not even entirely sure why we dream, which is what makes lucid dreaming so valuable to scientists. Studying the brain of somebody who can dream about exactly what they're told to can help create a sort of control group, so researchers can see just what's happening in different brains during similar dreams and maybe finally figure out just why it happens. But we do know this: dreaming is kind of a whole brain activity. The pons system of your brainstem initiates it, your limbic system adds emotions, and your prefrontal cortex puts it all together. But the parts of your brain that are associated with self-awareness are turned off. In a study run by the Max Planck Institutes of Psychiatry, they found that people who can have lucid dreams can also switch those parts of their brain on during dreams, be self-aware and dreaming at the same time. So, if you want to make yourself a flying robot sex god in your dreams, how do you do it? Step 1, keep a dream journal. Whenever you wake up, write down as much about your dreams as you remember, and you'll start to recognize certain patterns in them, and that will make you more likely to notice them when you're dreaming. You should also start reality testing. Just throughout the day, stop and ask yourself, am I dreaming right now? And then test things around you to make sure that you aren't. Flip a light switch or look at your watch a couple times. If you're dreaming, the switch won't react correctly, and your watch will be keeping really strange, out of order time. So if you notice these things and you know you're dreaming and you're lucid, it's hard to stay lucid and sleeping. Your body either wants to wake up or just keep dreaming as usual. People who are new to it tend to wake up right after they notice they're dreaming. If you feel like you're waking up, you're supposed to look at the ground and spin around in your dream. This technique was discovered by Stephen LaBerge, a psychiatrist who studies lucid dreams. His theory is that familiar motion like that engages your senses and makes your brain focus on the dream. So there you go. Go forth, you dream explorers, and report your results back to me. Unless it's sexy stuff, because that sort of dream is just for you. Okay? If there's anything else that you want us to make a video about, definitely leave it down below, and remember to subscribe for more DNews.